Hello, today we are going to learn how to play Happy Birthday with 3 chords. That is A, E7, and D. For most of the song, our strumming is down, down, up, down. Watch. 1, 2, 3, ready. A, down, down. E7, down, down, up, down, up, down. Back to A. And now here we're going to change the pattern. And then down, down, E7, down, and then finish it. So let's add some words so that it feels more natural. If you go to D string and play on the 2nd fret, happy, that's your singing note. So you're going to say happy and start strumming on birth. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maddie. And then pick it up again. Happy birthday to you. This is a song that is really good to memorize because you never know when you're going to need it. And happy birthday to my student Maddie.